What's up guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to wirelessly transfer files from your phone to your PC or laptop. So basically this is Samsung's answer to Apple's AirDrop. So you can basically get this on any Android phone. I have my S21 with me right now and I have my PC here. So it's real simple. So on the phone's end, all you have to do is go onto the Play Store and type in Samsung Flow. Oops. And you might not see it here. If you don't see it here, then just go to the Galaxy app. For me, I didn't get it here, but most of you should be able to find it here. I only got Samsung Smart Switch as the first search. So if you don't get it there, you need to go to your Galaxy store and search Samsung Flow. Scroll for a bit. I have no idea why it didn't pop up as the first search, but here it is, and you'll get Samsung Flow for Galaxy. So I have the app already, and that's on the phone end. So before we get anything further, we need to go to our PC. So now you want to go to the Microsoft Store, and you basically want to do the same thing that you did on your phone, which is search for Samsung Flow, and it should just pop up here, Samsung Flow, and you just download it, and there you go. So now you have Samsung Flow on your PC and you have Samsung Flow on your desktop. So now this is what you're going to do. So you're going to open Samsung Flow on your phone and you're going to open Samsung Flow on your PC. So it's going to be doing this and it's going to be searching for your phone, and on your phone you're going to get a message with a code. Now that code is going to pop up and you're just going to click OK, and it should automatically connect. No, you must be connected to the same Wi-Fi that your PC or laptop is connected to in order for this to work. Either if you're not, it would not. So I'm just gonna click OK on my phone because it's already connected, and it's gonna pop up like this. Now these files transfer super fast. They save you so much time rather than connecting your phone to your computer or your laptop with the cable and having to transfer files and then finding the correct folders to put them in. Basically all you need to do is click add and create a specific folder for where you want your stuff to go. Now I was getting an issue in the beginning when I just installed this, and the issue was I tried to transfer a video file from my PC to my phone, and they said that I didn't have the permissions. Now what you need to do is a simple fix, but not much people know this. What you need to do is come up here and click settings. After you click settings, you need to change the downloads folder, because for most of you it's probably just going to go to your downloads, but you need to change it to documents. So when you get to settings, you change it here, you click documents, and I just have a subfolder as well called Samsung Flow, so that all of the stuff won't go into like just drop randomly in my documents. It would go into an actual folder, and after that you can just click, select the folder, and you're good to go. And you go back here and you're good to go. So I could just basically, you could type to yourself as well if you want. So I can type something like hi and send, and it will pop up on my phone immediately as that. So let me just show you how fast it is to transfer files. I'll probably just like take a few pics and just like highlight these and just send them. Now look, 3 files already transferred to my phone. You can even send video files. Let me just get a video real quick. I could probably send this, and immediately look how fast that was. You could do the same from your phone to your PC as well. You basically just do the same thing with add images, videos, my files, audios, whatever you want to send, and it's as simple as that. And this is basically, like I said before, Samsung's answer to Apple's AirDrop, and it honestly makes transferring files so much easier rather than connecting your cable and having to find where you put your charger and all that stuff. And it's just, yeah, way easier. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Also, I hope that little fix, if you're having any issues with Samsung Flow, if you've been using it before, with changing the folder, helps. And yeah, thanks for watching.